Alright, Sunday morning race day. Let's head over to the IndyGP track. For as long as I've been drone racing, which, you know, for 3 years, I've had a 2-hour drive minimum to go to a drone race, whether that's Louisville, Central Illinois, Chicago, Cincinnati, Dayton. Every single race venue that I've ever been able to go to for a race has been at least 2 hours away. It's going to be nice to have my first home field advantage here and only have to travel 25 minutes to get to a race. I'm really looking forward to that.
It's too late to try, there's nothing you can do. I'm gonna run all over you. I'm looking for new blood, and nothing's gonna stop me now. Nothing's gonna stop me. Looking for new blood. Most of my life was heavy and hard. So many days, so many scars, but it was all of those years to make who I am, yeah. But I broke through, and here I stand, yeah. Don't try to fight, there's nothing you can do, and I'm gonna run all over you. It's too late to try, there's nothing you can do. I'm gonna run all over you. I'm looking for new blood, and nothing's gonna stop me now. Yeah, I'm looking for new blood, and nothing's gonna stop me now. Nothing's gonna stop me. Looking for new blood.
Just finished up qualifying round number 1. So I am currently holding the fastest single lap at like 17.9, and now I have the fastest qualifying time with 6 minutes and like 2:08. I had 3 crashes in that run, so I think I could actually bring this into a 7-lap run, which I think would definitely hold on to the top qualifying spot. Though Gabby Cannonball was pushing on me pretty hard and forced me to kind of let it eat a little bit, so I'm excited to see what that battle ends up, but for now it's going great. Second qualifying run, Mr. Gabby Chavez hits me in the back on the biggest straightaway. So my quad's out there somewhere, I don't know where. How did you hit me in the biggest straight that any MultiGP course has ever seen?
I passed you in the dive gate,
No,
and then
you
you
didn't.
hit me from behind.
No, I was free and clear by myself.
Nope, that was you.
We're gonna look at the DVR
Yep.
because
DVR review.
yeah, it's easy to get the fast lap when you take out your competition. Just yoinked. The battery leads right out.
Yeah, I'm looking for new blood. Yeah, and nothing's gonna stop me now. I'm looking for, yeah, I'm looking for new blood. Come on, and nothing's gonna stop me now. Nothing's gonna stop me. Looking for new blood.
So we're heading into AAA mains now. I held the top qualifying position, which put me straight into finals. We're running the first to 5 laps, one of those laps being a joker lap. That means we get to cut about half the course by taking a separate run to move on to the finals. If you win 2 times in a row, you automatically win, and any other position earns you points, kind of like DRL style. So I'm gonna go out there and try to win, earn points, and move on to finals to take the win here at my first home race. All right, heat 1 is over. I took 3rd place. Round 2 done, took 2nd place this time. I got mid-aired 2 times, like back to back. It took me like a good solid second and a half to recover from that. And Gabby Chavez got in front of me and took the win by like a half second. So good for him, but he's going down this next time. He knows he can't keep up.
Everybody makes it through the first hit. Joker is in not effect. If anybody's going to take this, nope. No jokers. Oh, here comes the joker right here. Looks like Deluxe again. Deluxe is going to come out on top. Followed by Nurse. We got one down over here. Here comes J-Rod in third. AK hits. He's down. Here comes Gabby. That was Frenchie. Nurse with 2, Deluxe with 2. There's J-Rod for his second. Here comes the Joker right here. It looks like AK is going to take his Joker. J-Rod, Dirk's on 3. Coming around for 4 laps. Dirk's on his final lap. Followed closely by Deluxe. Deluxe is on his tail. J-Rod with 4. Here comes AK with his 4 lap. Dirk 5 lap 1:29.9.
That was me.
Dirk is finished.
Hardcore first place, crushed it, got way out front, got a ton of space, took my joker lap and my second lap and put myself way out front of everybody, held on to it, and crushed it. Oh, that felt good. I don't know what that means in terms of points because that's a third, a second, and a first. I think that's going to be the best, but we'll find out.
Your winner for the Monster Energy Drink IndyGP goes to what better than the Green Nerd?
Woo! Oh, that was sad. First home race, first home win. That feels pretty good. Feels really good. What feels even better is that Gabby went down on lap number 1. I'm just kidding. I love you, Gabby. Here, do you want to hug it out?
Thank you. Emotional support. I blew up.
Oh, you're talking about the Joker lap?
Yeah.
Dude, mine was so bad. I went like way past it and then came back in.
Yeah. I think it's like almost slower than just running the normal.
I love a win. Let's feel good.
Smile, guys. Smile.
Let's keep it